What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Hedera Hashgraph and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the likes, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and our subscribers aren't getting notifications, so make sure to join our free Telegram to stay up to date with all of our videos as they are posted, link in the description. It really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so make sure to come back every day for daily updates and analysis, and make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We've just hit 10k subscribers, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, we've had many reports that our subscribers aren't seeing our content, and this is most likely because you haven't hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon with all notifications turned on. Give it a tap now, turn on all notifications, and you'll most likely see most of our videos being posted. Also, if you want to support the channel, make sure to tap that like, it really helps us out. We're posting 4 videos per day, so make sure to check back every single day for daily updates. So we're just taking a look at Hedera Hashgraph here. We're doing 6 videos today, by the way, so if you have requested a crypto, we're probably covering it today. We're doing a quick update for a lot of cryptocurrencies today. So we're just taking a look at Hedera here, and you can see, obviously, we've had this big, massive, I mean, you could potentially say this is a bull flag in reality on this macro time frame. Got this big bull flag, something like this. Basically, the price action's just been coming down, perfectly tested that previous level of support at around 16-ish cents here. We've actually bounced off this really nicely, haven't we? And now we're coming back up. And interestingly enough, just like most cryptocurrencies, we've actually come up to the top of the range that we formed on the 19th of May. You can see here, we came down, we come back up. We form a range like this. Obviously bounce to the upside really nicely, roll over, retest support, big wick down, come back up. Still stuck inside of our big bull flag, by the way. We come down again, we make a higher low here off of this. And once we break out of the 20, we broke out the resistance, we broke out the 50 here. We broke out the 55 as well, sorry. And then you can see quite clearly what's happened next. We've basically just broken out. We've ran all the way up to the top of the channel. Pretty much to the, what is this, to the cent? Complete, almost to like the millicent, really. And we've pretty much wicked back down off of it to look for support, haven't we? Because, you know, we're getting quite overextended for the wider market in general off this huge bounce we've seen off the lows. And it looks as though, you know, we just needed a bit of cooling off, didn't we? And you can see what Hedera's done. It's come back down and it's tested the 20 as support perfectly so far, hasn't it? And we've actually wicked down onto the 55 here. And since then, we've actually had a really good, decent little bounce on the daily, haven't we? You can see this big wick up off the 55 here, showing a good level of support there. And, you know, this is what we want to see, isn't it? Because when you're seeing this, where you've basically got your high and you're just trading downwards. So you got your high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower high. This is obviously a fake out. Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, etc, etc. You come all the way down, just making, you know, trending downwards to the downside. Basically, once you break your structure like this, you make your higher high. You want to make that higher low followed by a high, and just, you know, start to trend upwards, don't you? Which is what you really want to see. It's interesting to see, you know, where Hedera's come from. If we just pull this fib retracement here, you can see there's quite a lot of confluence to these levels. And we actually did come all the way up almost to the 227 here before having a bit of a retracement. We actually come down and perfectly bouncing off this one. What is that? The 141? The 141 here on this level of confluence. Really strong for a continuation pattern, as you can see. Nowhere near coming back down to those bigger retracements. And obviously, if we do this more local fib retracement, looking something like this. If I can actually, you know, draw this in correctly, you can see pretty much we've come down onto our 618, haven't we? This is where the move got impulsive. From this low to this high, we come back down. We're pretty much, you know, bouncing off the 618 for a continuation, aren't we? Which is really bullish to see on fib retracements. And considering that we are potentially, you know, technically we are breaking out of this big bull flag that we have been forming, you know, we could really be realistically looking at targeting the top of the flag where we formed it and beyond, really, at around that 45 cent level. And just for argument's sake, if we did have a nice technical target, if this was the flagpole, that's your bull flag. And then obviously we've got a technical target like this. Then we're obviously targeting upwards to around that 162 level. This is on log scale, by the way, so it might look a bit weird. We would be targeting up to around, you know, that 162 level, well past this all-time high. So really coming up, you know, into these levels that we're looking for. And if we just throw a quick fib on this recent retracement as well, from the high to the low, we'll just look at some price targets that are definitely possible. As we've been saying for a long while, we do think Hedera is going to do extremely well. We really do think that this is going to be, you know, by the end of the bull run, well over $1, probably looking at $2, $3, $5, maybe even $10 per token, depending on how much adoption that it does get. But obviously the price action recently has been quite disappointing, so tempering expectations. More realistically, we'd probably be looking at, you know, some more realistic price targets if that was the case. Probably looking more realistically, maybe around that $5 mark, we would say is definitely possible, considering, you know, the market cap is so low and this is a project with a massive amount of potential and adoption. Around a 10x from the current all-time high doesn't seem that unreasonable, although on our fib extensions that would be quite a large overextension from the 227 as well. So just something to be aware of. But we do think Hedera is doing very well, and we do think it's going to do very well going into the remainder of the bull run. It's obviously a great project with a lot of adoption and a top quality project. So the short-term price prediction then, obviously now we've got this nice retracement to retest support. We do want to see this hold and then come back up and retest this 28-cent level as our next price prediction for the short term. Breaking this and retesting it as support, obviously we'd be off to the races. And then going into, you know, the rest of the bull run, realistically looking at, you know, price targets for the long term in the next 6 to 8 months, we can imagine Hedera easily coming up above $1, maybe even $2 or $3 realistically by the end of the bull run. So that's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with PureVPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.